Hello students. So after covering the miles, we have come to an end of the chapter. Today we will discuss some cell organelles one by one. The first we are going to discuss is the vacuole. You have discussed and know about the plant cell. Plant cell have an outer covering called as cell wall, an inner layer which is the plasma membrane. You have already read about their structures, their functions. Today we will discuss about another big portion inside the plant cell. Inside the plant cell there like a fluid filled storage sac which is used to store the water and some waste and some also the products such as amino acids and proteins. This structure is called vacuole. It occupies almost 90% volume in plant cell. The vacuole is made up of two things. Firstly, a single layer known by the name tonoplast and the fluid called the cell sac. This is so large in plant cell that other cell organelle and also the nucleus get shifted towards the end of the cell and is attached to the plasma membrane. In animal cell, the vacuoles are also present, but they are temporarily there and very small in size. If I consider about the function of vacuole is to store the things such as your amino acids, protein and other products of the cell. The second function is to osmoregulate the cell. It means to maintain the osmotic pressure inside the cell. The third important function of the vacuole is in the unicellular organelles such as amoeba, where it stores the food. This is the vacuole and it stores the food. As it stores the food inside the organelles, unicellular organelles such as amoeba, they are also called as food vacuole. In this, what happened? They store the food, help in the breakdown of the food, and also the waste from the cell get entered inside this vacuole and it stores the waste also. So the vacuole also stores the waste, and whenever there is endocytosis or exocytosis, during endocytosis it takes the food and during exocytosis it just throw the food up. So these are the functions of what we call the vacuole. The next topic is very interesting topic, centrosome. This topic is not provided in many books, but we have to read about this. Centrosome. So in the animal cell, there lies the centrosome. These are do not bounded by any layer. They do not have any layer on them, and they have the granule-like structure called as centrioles. These centrioles are also made up of some small, very thin tubes known as microtubules. The function of the centrosome arises during the cell division, where they help in the formation of spindles. The next cell organelle is Perixosomes. So these are also like a bag-like structure. They contain some oxidative enzymes. These oxidative enzymes help in the detoxification. It means where they are inside the body, the cells which have to perform the detoxification, such as liver and kidney, they are mostly present in them and they help to detoxify the material. So this is how your chapter ends. If you have not watched the videos earlier, watch it now. Thank you.